potential in you, that you can make the youth a better citizens of tomorrow, and our area, our society will gain a momentum in development. But every time you should remember one thing, that is inclusion. You shouldn't exclude any person on the grounds of any second designation that we call as disability, or some caste system, or any other underprivileged, that he belongs to certain community, certain color, or certain religion. That should not be in any way. Because Almighty Allah has created all of us, and we have only one designation, that is we are humans. And we are proud, we should be very proud to be humans. And every time we have a challenge in this world, and you see me on this wheelchair, and it was in 1997, I was the student of Government Degree College, Anantnag, Hanabal, when I got a blood in spine, and I came to this wheelchair, and I too was not knowing what will be my fate after that. But disability is no way a punishment, it is no way a kind of abuse on any person, it is a challenge. And when you see a person in challenge, your first reaction should be that you should thank to Almighty Allah that you don't have such a kind of challenge. And you should put a hand holding towards the person with disability, so that he too comes in the line of empowerment. That is the main theme of this lecture. I should get you who you are, at least in a one line. Everyone should say how many days you have been training here?
Second day.
It's the second day. Almost you are not knowing one another. Almost. Can you introduce your companion? If we start from this, he will say his introduction, he will say his introduction. Will it be possible for you?
Yes.
It's almost impossible.
So that is the first thing we should. What happens with the person with disability? When I reach to some place, most of the people have the idea maybe he is a beggar. Maybe he is, because I am on the wheelchair, we don't have a kind of the human humor that this can be a person who may be more than qualified than me, who will have the capabilities. We always underestimate persons when we see them on wheelchairs, on crutches. And the basic problem is we don't communicate. The first thing when you come to the meetings, workshops, do communication. Try to understand one who is next to me, why he is here, what is his capability, how he can be my, because every time we have a kind of good opportunity when we find people around us, we get next resource person for us. If he's from Kulgam and he's from Shopian, and he has some important work in Shopian, he doesn't know anybody. But this time you got an opportunity that from one person from Kulgam has met one person from Shopian, and you will communicate, I need this information from your area, would you help me? Yes, he can. But when you will keep mum, if this training will have been for 2 days, that means you would have gone back without knowing one another. So try to, this is one sort of disability. And a disability doesn't mean that this person is on wheelchair and this person is not getting all that, he has some learning disabilities. The disability is when one person doesn't know another, and he is not knowing who is sitting with me from last 2 days. It's a kind of disability. It is called a communication disability. And communication disability is when I am deaf and mute, and this person is vocal, he is saying everything, but I don't know what he says because I am deaf and I don't hear him. So try to be very, very active and able-bodied, because Allah has given you everything in place. You have capacity to communicate, you have capacity to hear, you have capacity to say. So first thing is that you will presently, we will try to make it possible that we know one another for now for the whole next week, because you have to spend 1 week here. So let us start. I am Javed, I am from Bijbehara. My birthplace is Bijbehara, and I am here with my teacher, Mr. Vakar. Maybe he is below my age. I believe he is senior because of the age, but after getting this bullet injury, I remained almost 5 years bedridden in hospitals, at home, and after that I joined the university after almost gap of 5 and 8 years. So maybe my teachers were almost junior than me in terms of age, but he is my teacher in the Department of Social Work, and I'm here because of him. They taught me, and I utilized that very much learning. And after completing my masters in social work, I directly got into the special education, and I did B.Ed special education so that I could teach the children with disabilities. And after that, I completed M.Ed. I was under the research with Mr. Bashir Ahmad Dawla, but unfortunately he died in 2015, and it was a big jolt for me. I couldn't complete that research. We should at least introduce ourselves and say what we are, who we are, and what we are doing.
Myself, Rafaqat Hussain. I'm senior lecturer in chemistry at Government Higher Secondary School, Kazi. And previously I was posted
Yes.
in your vicinity, that is Boys Higher Secondary School, Bijwal.
Yeah, yes.
So myself, Mudassir Ahmed, I am posted at Government Degree College for Women, Pulwama, and assistant professor in Islamic Studies. I am from Shah.
Myself, Zahra Manzoor. I am working in Kanpur. Presently, I am working as physical director here. And from last 2 years, I am also working as an program officer.
Myself, Abduswan Mir. I come from Government High Secondary School, Bomai, Sopore. I have done my PG in English and teach English to 11th and 12th class. I'm a teacher.
Myself, Mushtaq Ahmed Khan. I am from Girls High Secondary School, Handwara. I am a physical teacher and masters in sports.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Abbas. I am from Beach, Handwara. Here let's botany.
I'm Muzaffar Hussain Khaja, posted at teachers Langate, and I'm teaching English.
You are teaching English.
My name is Bashir Ahmed Kumar from Higher Secondary School, Patan. I am a teacher. I teach English.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Mohammed Yogani, Assistant Professor in the Department of Education, Government Degree College, Howman, Baramula. I live in district Baramula in Tahsil Patan.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Sajjad Ahmed from Boys Higher Secondary School, Benipura. I teach language in that very aspect.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Mohammed Yunus, I am from Pulwama, senior lecturer zoology, posted at Girls Higher Secondary Institute, Pulwama.
Assalamualaikum sir. I am Sayyid Gaurand Rabi, posted at Government Higher Secondary School, Little Pulwama. I am a resident of Ratnipura, Pulwama.
Assalamualaikum everyone here. I am Sayyid Rashid. I am from SP College, Srinagar. I teach chemistry.
Assalamualaikum sir. I am Tariq Ahmed Wani. I am from Patan, and presently I am senior lecturer at Post 2. I teach botany.
Assalamualaikum. Uttar Rashid Home, posted at Higher Secondary School, Haida, and I am from Patan, Nyalpura, Patan.
So I am Amir Mumtaz from Gurez area, working as assistant professor in Gurez Degree College.
Assalamualaikum sir. Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Rais Ahmed. I am Bilal Ahmed Nehru from HSS Rajpura.
Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. I'm Sadaf Sanawla. I teach history in Government Degree College, Gandharbal. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum sir. Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself Tariq Ahmed Lawan, posted at BHSS Sogam, be physical education teacher. I have done PG in physical education.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Purokvib Ganai. I am working as assistant professor GDC Women Ahmedabad, and I am teaching environmental science there.
Assalamualaikum sir. Myself Dr. Nusrat Aziz. I'm a teacher physics
GDC Boys Sopur. Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Alia Akhtar from the Department of Psychology, Government Degree College for Women Sopur.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Yasmin Ahad, I'm from GDC Sombai and I teach education.
Assalamualaikum sir, Shabina Kutti, Associate Professor in English, but by virtue of being the Program Officer of the second unit of NSS from Ambersand College.
So all of us are from Kashmir province, and we all are fortunate that we are from different places. Although we have intensity from the north, most of the people are from Baramulla side, Sopur, this Handwara. So we have less people from Anantnag side, South Kashmir side. Only
So let me introduce myself.
Yes.
I am Sajjad Padar. I have done my research.
You come this side, please. Come this side. This is the program of inclusion. We don't exclude.
Actually, I was there in the first session, so I thought I would be at the back one. Sir, myself, Sajjad Padar, I did Masters, MPhil and PhD in Political Science from Kashmir University. I am from Miri, Bijbihara. Presently posted at Government Degree College, Khansa,
So today we will know about the disability. Can you say any sentence about the disability? What you feel disability is? A single word.
Some specific stuff.
Yes. या आप ही लिखो, जो ये बताएंगे आप ही लिखो। एक वर्ड बताइए आप। What do you feel about the disability? जो भी आपके दिल में है, not able to work out.
हम कहते हैं differently abled. These are different.
He says differently abled. Yes.
One who is not able to do something in a
Not able to do something.
One who can't do what daily routine is actually what a normal person can do.
What we expect from a normal person, we can't do. A person who is not able to do or behave like a normal. One who is not able to do or behave like a normal person.
Person whose some part of his body is not working properly.
Some deformities in the body.
Sir, for me, it is a lack of ability to use one's potential to its fullness.
Lack of using ability.
So I think it's put out from some actions.
Put out from
Some actions.
actions. Yes.
Someone who has some different ability or who is not like normal people and has some special abilities.
Not normal, but having some special abilities.
Sir, people with physical or psychological exceptions.
People with exceptions.
Let us say differently abled or specially abled.
Differently or specially.
Actually, those people who are not able to perform the normal activities. Which one?
Not able to perform normal.
Sir, a hindrance to work properly.